The SIS extension identifies a Symbian OS installer file containing application packages for Nokia and other Symbian-based smartphones. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or manage these legacy mobile application files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange SIS formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. SIS files are unsigned application installer packages for Symbian OS smartphones, including Nokia S60 and UIQ devices. They contain compiled application binaries, resources registration data, and installation scripts for deploying software on Symbian-based mobile phones. Symbian SIS files use a PKG-based package format, containing application executables, DLL libraries, resource files, and installation instructions. Unlike signed SISX files, SIS packages lack digital signatures and may require certificate override settings for installation on newer devices. The preferred application for managing the SIS file is Symbian OS from Symbian Foundation. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows can't show what the executable will do, so verification requires specialized software. Your first step towards full access: right-click the SIS file and select Open With. If Symbian OS is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you still cannot open your SIS file, that is okay. If your SIS file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, installing on Symbian devices. Transfer the SIS file to your Symbian phone via Bluetooth, USB, or memory card. Navigate to the file using the phone's file manager and tap to begin installation. Accept any unsigned application warnings if prompted, and choose the installation drive. Next, security considerations. SIS files are unsigned and may pose security risks. Only install SIS packages from trusted sources. Newer Symbian devices may block unsigned SIS installations by default. Enable unsigned app installation in Settings then Application Manager if you trust the source. Finally, legacy preservation. Since Symbian OS is discontinued, SIS files are primarily of historical interest. Archive SIS files alongside documentation about their target Symbian OS version and device compatibility. Use the EKA2L1 Symbian emulator for running SIS applications on modern computers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.